Yesterday morning I turned on the television and saw some of the closing ceremony of the London Olympics, and I was quite surprised by the blatant New World Order symbolism, including a pyramid with a blazing red all-seeing eye and a blazing red phoenix rising out of the Olympian cauldron of fire. Unfortunately I took some snapshots of those and uploaded them to my YouTube channel, and I've now been threatened with deletion of the channel if I do that again. So I can't show you those images, but you're pretty well aware of the symbolism involved, I'm sure. Anyone watching my videos from last year should be aware of this correlation between large magnitude earthquakes and conjunctions between the Earth-Moon or Moon-Earth and Orion, Pleiades, which is over here, or Jupiter. Of course, the Pleiades was last year, it was March 11 in Japan. Jupiter, this is February 27 for off the coast of Chile, and of course we go right back to 2004 for the big one, which was in Sumatra, where it was just in this region above Orion, the Boxing Day tsunami 2004. Okay, we just had one just now which really does still fit the pattern, a 7.7, and it was Sea of Okhotsk, don't know how to pronounce it, off the coast of Russia, very deep earthquake. Again, the moon is just here, just passing Orion, so you could argue it's actually out of the zone, but it's really like about 4 hours late. It's pretty close. Of course, these correlations are stronger the larger the earthquakes. The smaller earthquakes, the correlation breaks. As you can see from the seismographs, it's a pretty decent earthquake. Move the seismographs all around the world, as these big ones do. And this is a pretty decent one for a 7.7. Okay, this is a worldwide shaking, a worldwide wobble. The Boxing Day tsunami devastated several coastlines and killed over 250,000 people. It was the result of a magnitude 9.1 earthquake off the coast of northern Sumatra. The earthquake occurred on December 26 at 12:58 AM 2004 UTC time. And where was the moon at that moment? Well, from the perspective of the Earth, the moon was here, just above Orion. And take note of this line here as a reference. It's just left of that line. Okay? Been a bit of a discussion online regarding a TV drama on BBC 3 broadcast on August 10 and 11 2008 called Spooks Code 9, which involved a terrorist plot to nuke the opening ceremony of the London Summer Olympics. And some people have tied it in with a curious website, illuminatiorder.info, where they got a countdown clock which happens to end on the last day of the Paralympics in London. So it's counting down the nights to the closing ceremony. And if you click on this link here, it's 9. If you click on this link here, it comes up with 11. Okay, so click on the snake, you get 9, click on the owl, you get 11. So let's do the Masonic Temple, you get 6, you click on what looks like a Knights of Malta symbol, you get 5, and you click on the Phoenix Rising, and you get 10. Okay, this is really bizarre stuff, and this is obviously the Eye of Horus, Eye of Ra, blah blah blah. The all-seeing eye, perhaps. So, what is the exact time of this countdown going to, this countdown clock? What is the exact time this countdown clock is counting to? We can look at the source code here from the web page. You can scroll down and you can see the code for the clock. And there it is there. Let's see where the moon would be in relation to the Earth on September 9, 2012 at 1:23 and 33 seconds. So let's set the time to September 9, 2012 at 13:23 33 seconds. And there's the moon right there, just left of the same line as it was back in 2004 on December 26th of Boxing Day tsunami earthquake. Okay, that's interesting. There's actually another significant date where the moon is in that alignment, and that's September 11, 2001. Okay, the attacks began at 8:46 AM Eastern Standard Time, which is 12:46 UTC. And where was the moon? Lo and behold, it's just left of that same line. And we're talking within 5-10 minutes, maybe 15 minutes at the most, variation between the alignment for the countdown clock on September 9, 2012, the attacks in 2001, and the Boxing Day tsunami in 2004. That's rather strange. So it would appear that this Illuminati order.info countdown clock is not only counting down to the closing ceremony of the London Paralympics, it's also marking the time until the 11th lunar anniversary of the attacks on September 11, 2001, as well, which just happens to be the Sumatra earthquake, the biggest one we've had this century. And what do I mean by 11th lunar anniversary? Well, if you have a solar calendar but your months are based on the lunar position or the lunar date, September 9, 2012 is the 11th lunar anniversary, or the 11th anniversary of the attacks of September 11, 2001. September 11, 2012 is a solar calendar date. So of course this is really strange stuff, but then again we live in strange times. Don't forget to comment below, and if necessary share this information with anyone you think might need to know about it. And in case my account is deleted, because I'm on shaky ground now for posting a couple of images from the Olympic Games of a phoenix and of a pyramid all-seeing eye, you better back up my videos if you want to see them, because my account could be gone. Who knows? Okay, thank you for watching.